Hey, how's everyone doing? This is Oz with Oz Mechanics. Alright, so today we're going to be working on a 2007 Chevy Silverado, and as you can see right here we have a heater hose that just kind of broke off. So the main issue that we have on these heater hoses is that we have a quick connect that just gets brittle over time and it breaks off, and then you get coolant everywhere around your system. So the easiest way to take off this quick connect, you're going to need a quick connect tool. Alright, so what we're going to do, we're going to actually get this three-quarter quick connect, and this is going to be a demonstration outside of it. We're going to push this quick connect in here. It should push the little bristles apart inside. You can see right there. That's what's holding on to the heater core, as you can see. So what I'm going to do, because the previous mechanic, they basically rigged a new hose to the old hose, so I'm going to get a brand new one, get a brand new quick connect as well, and we're going to get this like brand new. So first and foremost, what we need to do, get our appropriate size, maneuver our tool into that part, and it should pop up. This is the quick connect right there where my finger's at. Now we're going to try to hook up our quick connect tool behind it. Okay, as you can see, we're connected right in the back. And there you go, it's clipped in. Pull it out. And there you go. That's our quick connect procedure. So there you go, that's our old hose that we're taking off. If you do like this video, please thumbs up, subscribe, and share. As you can see, it's already raining. I'm doing this for y'all, man. Y'all take care. Y'all have a nice day. Bye.